Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 82. So this is module 10. We have revision here. So activity 1, look and find. So this is a word search. So you will need to search one by one. So for number 1, or easier, this is number 2. We have cheetah. So cheetah is right here. And then circle it. And then we have this one, settle. And then number 3, it is called rat. So we have here R-A-T, rat. And then we have number 4, this is angry. So angry is here. And then we have this one, beaker. Basically this is called the size as a whole. So this is the apparatus in the lab. So this is called size. So size, we have double E here. So size. And then we have this animal. It is called whale. So W-H-A-L-E for whale. And then number 7, we have this animal called dolphin. And then this one basically is a man, but you need to find, this is basically an adjective, so which is strong. So we have here strong. And then the final one, so this one, if you take a look at this motion here, so this is called fast. So we have F-A-S-T or fast. And then there you go, we have already settled all these word searches. And number 2, so maybe I maximize it a bit. Okay, number 2, who is who? Write the names. So if you take a look, the bold character here, the bold words here, so basically just 3 names. So number 1, John is taller than Jim, but he is shorter than Tom. So which means John is in the middle in height. So John is taller than Jim. So maybe this is as you can see here, they stand on the same point. So the shortest is this man here. So older is the oldest one. And then we have this fatter boy here. And then we have uncle here. So John is taller than Jim. So which means maybe this is John. And then maybe this is Jim. Okay, maybe I just write it at first. So John. So later we will check whether this is correct or not. So John is taller than Jim, but he is shorter than Tom. So sentence number 1 already is very obvious, the answer. So John is taller than Jim. Yes, correct. But he is shorter than Tom. So we check the next sentence. Jim is fatter than Tom. Jim is fatter than Tom. Yes, which is correct. But he is thinner than John. Yes, correct also. And then we have sentence number 3. Tom is older than John. So which means this is like a boy. So we have a man here, a middle-aged man versus the oldest man here. So Tom is older than Tom is older than John. Yes. but he is younger than Jim. Yes, which is correct. So this is a name, the correct names here. And then activity 3, look and write. Use the superlative. So this is superlative adjective, so which means you will need to use the and then adjective. So we have pretty, tall, short, ugly, fast. So by looking at the pictures, number 1, the green tree is, so among these trees here, so the green tree is, so you can write the tallest, so tall, double L, and then we have est as a superlative adjective. And then number 2, the red car. So if you take a look, this looks like a sport car, so compared to others, so the red car is, so the fastest, fastest, fastest. And then number 3, the gray house is, so among these 3 houses here, so the gray house is, so in terms, okay, this one looks like a ghost house, so we can say number 3, the gray house is the ugliest. So ugliest, UGL, so the Y should be replaced by IEST. And then number 4, the brown tree is, so among these trees, is the shortest. So we have this, the shortest. And then you add EST behind the T. And then number 5, the yellow house is, so the prettiest. So it's the brightest, looks clean compared to these houses here. So this one is a bit old. So the prettiest. So write the pretty and then left omit the Y. So the Y should be replaced by IEST as in question number 3. So that's it for this page. We are on page 82, Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.